So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Android phone's volume is randomly going up and down. So maybe you're going through and you're sitting in a random area, but your volume is just going up and it's going down randomly. Now you can basically fix this a lot of different ways. Number one, just go through and try restarting your phone. It might be as simple as this, but what you can try doing is to go through and try holding down your power button at the very top or clicking on the buttons you normally would to restart your phone, and click on power off or click on restart. Those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. So try restarting your phone, try powering it off, and that is kind of the easiest way to go and fix this problem. Now, if that doesn't end up working, the next thing you want to try doing is to go through and try updating your phone. So what you can try doing is to swipe up, get into your settings application right here, and try finding your software update panel. So scroll down until you find the system update panel or the software update panel, whatever you have. Click on system and try updating your system. Simple things like that can probably end up fixing the problem for you. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. Now you might want to also make sure that your case or that whatever you're using isn't randomly clicking the buttons. Sometimes if you have a really random case on, it might put the volume buttons up or down. So you may have to go through and make sure your volume buttons aren't clicking up and clicking down, or the case isn't clicking those things, because sometimes that can also cause some problems. That's another big thing I'd recommend thinking about as well. And if that's still not working, what I'd recommend doing is to kind of go through and make sure that there's no Bluetooth devices connected to your device as well. So as long as those things are basically set and good to go, then you should be good to go. And those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.